How to get phone records from Mint Mobile. Let's get started. Whether it's for calls, text, or data usage, following these steps, you'll exactly know how to get them. First, open your web browser and go to mintmo.com, the official Mint Mobile login page. Enter your phone number and password to sign into your Mint Mobile account. Once logged in, navigate to the account or usage section on your dashboard. Here, you can view a breakdown of call history, text message activity, and data usage. If available, you will see a download or export button. Click it to get a copy of your phone records, usually in PDF or CSV format. If you don't see the export option, scroll down and go to support or help section. Start a live chat or call Mint Mobile customer support and request your phone records directly. And that's how to get your phone records from Mint Mobile in 2025. Whether you find them yourself or contact support, you'll be able to access what you need quickly. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.